Good morning, friends, and welcome back to my channel. It's your friend Just Jacks to you. We're going to lead with jumping jacks. Jumping jacks are a full body exercise anyone can do. If you can't bounce when you jumping jack, walk. That's the thing about them. I just need your whole body to start moving, and we're doing this as a warm-up. So don't, get fussy at home. But now these become a little more complex, but we're working our core, we're stretching our back, we're moving our arms, our feet. Everybody's getting a little action. They're just toe taps. Make sure that your hands connect with your feet. It's very important. If you can't get them to connect, try to get your knee to connect with your hands. Still can't do that? Just stick your foot out and your hand forward. See, there's always a modification for whatever you can't do. So this is a very beginner-friendly warm-up. Now we're gonna move into jump squats. If you have weights at home, you could do this with weights. If not, just jump squats. Your heart rate should be a little elevated from what we did prior, but these are really gonna do the trick. You could actually incorporate this whole little warm-up into a HIIT style session. With this, you're getting your Romanian deadlift in, you're getting a press in, but what I'm really trying to do is just get my whole body active and moving. I don't consider this aggressive for a workout, but if you are a beginner, this is actually perfect. We're just doing up and down, just like we used to do in grade school, just to get our body hot and to get it going. Okay, hopefully you're at home, not winded. Even if you are, I'd like you to try to keep going. Grab your kettlebell. Start swinging. Make sure that your head to your spine is like a straight bar, and swing. Swing for dear life. But keep everything stacked in together, okay? That's important. And we're just hitting our glutes with this movement. All right, catch your breath. I think you can I was giving myself about a minute. I like to check my heart rate in between everything. So for me, keeping my heart rate above 130 is already a fat burn zone. So that is why you constantly see me looking at my watch. I do not let my beats per minute go under 130 because then I won't be burning fat anymore. So we're gonna go right back into the jumping jack. Look at how awesome the jumping jack is. It's really underrated because your calves are gonna burn. Your quads are getting activity. Your core, your shoulders, your hands, it's a full body. It's kind of like jumping rope, but just a little different. But I love that it's a whole body in motion. Remember, if you can't do the jumping jack, just tap your feet out. There's no urgency on this one. This is beginner friendly. All right, let's do the toe taps. If you want to get aggressive, make sure those hands reach those feet. That's going to require for you to stretch quite a bit more from your back to get your hands down there to reach, or more from your legs, more stretch in the hamstring. You're gonna grab your weights again, and we're gonna go back to the jump squats. Remember that jump squats are gonna really increase your heart rate, but they're excellent for your legs, your calves, your whole body, including your core. I think everyone should do jump squats every single day. They're really excellent. Okay, we're gonna go back to the kettlebell swing. I set up the timer. It's set up for 30 seconds. So go ahead, give it a go. Remember to keep your upper body stiff. You're hinging at your hips. You're working your glutes. So you should feel that on the sides of your butt. Your quads are going to end up feeling it as well. So does your core. Remember to keep your core engaged throughout all the movements that you do. That's how you eliminate the risk of hurting your back by keeping your core nice and tight and engaged throughout the movement. We only have a few more seconds left. When that timer hits 30, you're all done. All right, even before that. So thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for just being supportive of my journey. I hope that you're continuously pouring into yourself, being a blessing whenever possible. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye, guys. Have a great day.